Everyone, this is Tip from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the speaker on your PlayStation controller. Maybe you're playing Grand Theft Auto and you just don't like hearing the cop siren through your speaker. This is really easy to do on your PlayStation 4. So what we can do is hold down the PlayStation button, then go to the quick menu, go up to Sound/Devices, and the first option right here will be volume control for a speaker for the controller. So we have a little slider here that goes right and to the left. And you can hear the sound in the speaker when you go up and down. So to simply turn this off, just go all the way to the left and you won't hear any sound coming through the speaker on your controller. Now there isn't like any in-game option to completely disable it, but you can easily just turn it all the way down. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.